Here's the chip right here. And what I'll do is I'll just put it at an angle like this. And I will, let's say, go like this. Wiggle it. Wiggle, wiggle. All right, so once I wiggle, it's there. And then when you move it down, you'll see that that's right above where the screw goes. So now we'll grab the screw and we'll do the same thing. Hopefully I won't drop it here. But let's say, go here, put it here, and then I just screw it back on. There we go. Now it's in the screw, go all the way in, and there we go. And this is how easily you can remove an M.2 SSD drive from this computer.